Hello and welcome back. Have you ever tried to upgrade to Windows 11 but stuck on this or this? This PC can't run Windows 11 error and couldn't see any way out? Don't worry, you don't need a new computer or another tool, not even a USB device. I will show you the fastest and easiest way to bypass Windows 11 system requirements using only a simple CMD command on the latest official Windows 11 ISO file. That's version 25H2. Stay tuned. This Windows 10 PC has 4 GB RAM and a decent Core i5 processor, Intel HD graphics card, and 466 GB of hard disk space. Even with these specs, if we try to check whether it's eligible for Windows 11 upgrade with PC health check, we can clearly see that it's not, and that's really annoying. But there is a very simple and unbelievably easy way to have Windows 11 on this PC. Let me show you. First, we need to get the official ISO file from the Microsoft page. The current version is 25H2. See? Here is what we need: the disk image or ISO file. Select the multi-edition and click on Download Now. Select the product language of your choice. For me, English International will be fine. Then click on Confirm. Now click on 64-bit download. As you can see, the ISO file is about 7.2 GB. Start download. Since I have already downloaded it, let me stop this one and show you what I downloaded. Here is it. I have purposely saved it on local disk E, not on C. That's also what you should do, I guess, if in case you want to format the C drive and have a completely new Windows installation. Here is what is extracted from the ISO file. You can use WinRAR to extract or just mount the disk image, select all, copy everything, and then paste into a new folder, as I named it Windows 11 25H2. It's that simple. While inside the extracted Win11 25H2 folder, let's run the setup file and see if the upgrade goes ahead. Change how setup handles updates while upgrading. I think it's better to select Not right now and then click Next. Here comes that dreadful moment, checking your PC. That is the system requirement part. As expected, it says the PC doesn't meet the Windows 11 requirements. But is that it? Do we just give up here? Of course not. Let's get back to the folder where we have the extracted contents of the ISO file. Go to the address bar, click there, and type CMD, and then hit enter. As you can see, command prompt opens inside the very same folder. See? Now write setup.exe space / product space server and hit enter. Windows 11 installation launched right away, and this time it surely skips the hardware compatibility check, as you will see shortly. Just select not to have updates while upgrading. Here comes the moment of truth. Is it going to skip the hardware compatibility check? It just went past it. That's it. That's what we're looking for. Not to have that compatibility check. Accept license terms. By this method, you can either keep personal files only or have a clean new installation if you have already backed up your personal files. Make your own choice. Let's keep it as is and click next. Say yes. Just click OK. The installation continues. Installation after this step is indeed a comfortable ride that you should just sit back and watch till completion. Here we have a confirmation that the setup is going to install Windows 11 Pro and keep your personal files. Hit install and be sure for one last time that we have gone past the dreadful system requirements check with this PC can't run Windows 11 error message. It's long gone. Indeed, setup has successfully started to install Windows 11 on the very machine it declined earlier. Though it says installing Windows Server, we have already seen that the setup is actually installing Windows 11 Pro and it's keeping your personal files intact. Okay? No need to worry. I hope this simple fix works for you too. If it is so, please like, share, and subscribe, for it really helps me grow the channel. Thank you for your company.